Intelligent, versatile, and eye-friendly. Introducing Max Lumi, a 13.3-inch Android e-ink tablet offering truly paper-like reading, writing, and drawing experience. Its A4 size screen is perfect for reading large format PDF documents. Read, write, annotate, highlight with ease. With better compatibility, Android 10 enables you to run third-party apps seamlessly. The upgraded Octa-core processor allocates power intelligently and ensures the smooth running of all tasks. Equipped with Quick Charge 4.0, the power-efficient Max Lumi lasts up to 6 weeks in standby mode. It is made for multitasking. You can run 2 apps on the same screen. It supports over 20 ebook formats. The pressure-sensitive Stylus gives you superior control over drawings. Build up your works in layers and create the most artistic works in detail. Max Lumi is the first 13.3-inch e-ink tablet that adopts the front light. Darkness can't interrupt your workflow anymore. Use it anytime and anywhere. Max Lumi, like a tablet, unlike any tablet.